understand there, Bob. According to Newton's third law,
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
the cannon recoil will send you flying.
Yeah, right. Ah!
You can't disobey laws.
I hate Newton.